Stop scrolling! 99% of people have no idea that one simple movement can melt a double chin, tighten your jawline, and naturally lift your face without any tools, creams, or surgery. This is face fitness at its finest, pure muscle activation that rewires your posture, tones your neck, and wakes up hidden strength beneath your skin. Try it once and you'll feel your face come alive from within. Most people don't realize that the face, just like the rest of the body, has its own network of muscles that need movement, tension, and care. Over time, these muscles, especially around the jaw and neck, begin to weaken because we rarely use them intentionally. We train our core, our arms, our legs, but our facial muscles stay still, forgotten behind expressions that have turned mechanical. When these muscles lose tone, gravity takes over, and the first signs show up as sagging skin and that soft fold under the chin. But the magic happens the moment you start to reconnect. A few mindful movements a day can wake up areas that haven't felt engagement in years, bringing oxygen, strength, and new life to your lower face. This isn't about vanity, it's about vitality. It's about reminding your face that it's alive, dynamic, and capable of renewal. The body responds when you give it attention, and your face is no different. You can literally reshape your energy with conscious motion. And once you feel that awakening under your skin, you'll understand. True beauty isn't added, it's reactivated. A double chin isn't just about excess weight. It's often a reflection of how we hold ourselves every single day. Hours spent looking down at screens, collapsing our neck and jaw, slowly train the muscles beneath to weaken and give way. Over time, that tension and lack of activation cause the skin to loosen and the lymphatic flow to slow down, trapping fluids and dulling definition. What most people don't realize is that your jawline tells the story of your posture. The straighter and more open your alignment, the stronger and more sculpted your lower face appears. When you begin to engage the muscles around your neck and under your chin, you're not just tightening skin, you're restoring balance and energy flow through one of the body's most expressive areas. A few mindful movements, repeated with consistency, can reverse years of downward tension. It's simple science. Movement restores function, and function restores form. This is where awareness meets transformation. When you lift your posture, you lift your entire presence. Here's where it all starts coming to life. The movement that actually activates and strengthens the muscles beneath your chin. It's simple, but when done with focus, it becomes incredibly powerful. Sit upright, let your shoulders drop, and bring your gaze slightly toward the ceiling. Now gently press your tongue to the roof of your mouth and slowly push your lower jaw forward. Hold that stretch for a few seconds. You'll feel it instantly under your chin and along the sides of your neck. That's your platysma, digastric, and mylohyoid muscles waking up. Muscles that usually lie dormant through years of inactivity. The key here is control, not speed. Each repetition increases blood flow, tones the lower face, and gradually restores that sculpted contour. Think of it as resistance training for your jawline. The more intentional your movement, the more defined your results. It's not about straining or forcing. It's about precision and awareness, engaging the muscle just enough to remind it of its natural strength. That subtle tension you feel isn't discomfort, it's progress. Stay consistent, stay patient, and soon you'll see it. The face begins to lift itself from within. When you move your facial muscles with intention, something powerful happens beneath the surface. Blood begins to flow more freely, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every layer of your skin. This oxygenation process is what gives that post-exercise glow. Not just to your body, but to your face as well. The moment you combine deep breathing with facial movement, you're not only training muscles, you're feeding your skin from the inside out. Oxygen helps repair tissues, flush toxins, and support collagen production, which keeps the skin supple and firm. You'll notice your face feeling warmer, more alive, almost as if it's been recharged. That's circulation doing its job. And the best part? It's all natural. No creams, no devices, just your body responding to mindful motion. Think of every breath as fuel for renewal. The deeper you breathe, the more radiant you become. The face, like every part of you, thrives on energy and flow. When you give it both, vitality shows up on its own. Breathe deeply, move with awareness, and remember, oxygen is your skin's most powerful lift. Your posture shapes everything, from how your body moves to how your face ages. When the spine rounds forward and the head tilts down, it's not just the back that suffers. The neck muscles tighten, the jawline loses definition, and the facial tissues begin to sag under constant downward pressure. But when you start to realign your body, the change becomes visible almost instantly. Lifting your chest, drawing your shoulders back, and elongating your neck creates space for your facial muscles to rest in their natural position. Add gentle chin tucks and slow shoulder rolls, and suddenly, tension begins to melt away. You're not just improving how you look, you're retraining how your body supports your face. Posture is energy in form. When it's balanced, your entire expression lifts effortlessly. Each breath feels deeper, lighter, more grounded. It's a reminder that beauty and confidence start from alignment, not effort. Keep your head high, your spine tall, and your awareness centered. And you'll notice the transformation begin from within. When your posture rises, everything about you follows. Consistency is where the real transformation begins. It's not about doing 100 reps in one day. It's about showing up for just a few mindful minutes every single day. The face responds beautifully to regular, gentle activation. When you repeat these exercises daily, the muscles begin to remember their strength. The skin regains elasticity, and circulation improves naturally. Over time, what once felt weak or sagging starts to feel firm and alive again. Pair this practice with clean hydration, good sleep, and balanced nutrition, and the changes go beyond appearance. You start to feel renewed. The jawline sharpens, the complexion brightens, and there's a quiet confidence that begins to radiate from within. Progress may be subtle at first, but that's how nature works. Slow, steady, and powerful. What matters most isn't perfection, it's the intention behind each movement. Each time you commit to this ritual, you're telling your body, I'm here for you. Keep that promise, and you'll not only lift your face, you'll lift your energy, your focus, and your life. The power to reshape begins the moment you decide to stay consistent.